Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by accepting a core limitation. Google Play Store isn't native on iPhone. Once that's clear, sign into your Google account in Safari or Chrome so you can access the Play web interface. Make sure your iPhone is updated and has enough storage. This prevents download failures. Then install any necessary companion apps from the App Store like Google Drive or YouTube, because many Play apps have official iOS versions. Next, open a browser and navigate to the Play web listing you need. Once on the Play web page, sign in with your Google account and search for the app you want. If the mobile view hides options, request the desktop site to reveal more controls. This often shows developer details and direct download info. Remember, you cannot install APKs on iOS, so use the app page to identify whether an official iOS version exists. Then switch to the App Store and search the exact app name. Make sure to compare developer names to avoid imposters. To finish, install the official iOS app from the App Store when one exists. This gives full native functionality. If an app has no iOS version, consider web-based alternatives, progressive web apps, or remote Android services like cloud-based emulators accessed via browser. Make sure to sync accounts and permissions so data transfers correctly. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, sign out and back into Google, and try a different browser or device. This resolves most authentication. And
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.